Right now I will show you how not to waste your chicken manure. Think about it, my friends. You've paid for this. You've paid enough money to get some eggs and to make lots of poop. Well, don't let the value end there, my friends. Today I am putting the poop back in the feed bag. And I'm going to save this. I'll let it age. Let it gas off some of the urea, other ammonia, nasty stuff. But I will spread this out again on my corn crop that will go over there in a few months. We waste so much. We waste far too many things. So today I am saving the poop, and I'm letting you know that you can also save the poop. Chicken poop is absolutely amazing stuff. Probably the next best is sheep or goats. Cow poop and horse poop really don't give you too much in the form of nitrogen, and there's often so much carbon left over. You're not going to get a lot of utility out of fertilizing alone with steer manure. Now, if you let the steer cover crop graze next year's field and pee and poop and stomp, that's a different story. You get the dung beetles out there doing what they're doing, and I will have dung beetles because I don't charge up my critters with ivermectin and other dewormers. If you don't let the animals graze all the way to the ground, you're not going to get a whole lot of parasite load if they're not grazing near their poop. Most of the parasites hang out about 4 inches from the ground on any plant out in the pasture. So if you don't leave your cows or your sheep or anything